Ah yes, the SGI 320. But no, not this time, as I won't be able to ready this one for the Swiss Vintage Computer Festival 2025. And I also won't drag along my entire heap of Silicon Graphics machines, because George will have his fabulous SGI collection on display. Still, I'll bring an SGI O2 workstation, as George and I teamed up for an on-site demo of the Silicon Graphics InPerson video conferencing system featured earlier this year on this channel.
Will you let me join the video call again?
Well, let's see. First, I had to print the mounting bracket so the O2 webcam would stay in place above the SGI 1600SW flat panel display. And I also polished the software setup on this machine so you can explore it with the File System Navigator as seen in Jurassic Park. Or how about trying out SoftWindows 95 or Adobe Photoshop or even Premiere? Yes, Adobe once released native versions for Silicon Graphics workstations. And of course it runs Doom, Quake on Quake 2. Plus Scum VM, naturally including Monkey Island. And I heard that the Raven Lordess, who appeared as the dreadful ghost pirate LeChuck at VCF Switzerland 2 years ago, will join us again, though in a different costume. And while my O2 is a bit too weak to run good old Quake 3 Arena, let me tell you, we'll also have a true retro LAN party at the venue. See this and more at the Swiss Vintage Computer Festival November 8 and 9, 2025 at the Enter Technology Museum in Derendingen. Thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there.